Hey everyone! Welcome back to our Kitchen Faucet channel, where we bring you the latest and greatest in home improvement products. Today, we've got something truly special for you, a game changer in kitchen faucets. We're diving into the world of the KRAUS Oletto modern single-handle touch kitchen sink faucet with pull-down sprayer. If you're looking to elevate your kitchen experience, you won't want to miss this. But before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for the latest updates on all things kitchen related. Let's get started. The KRAUS Oletto modern single-handle touch kitchen sink faucet with pull-down sprayer is a stylish and functional faucet that is perfect for any kitchen. It has a sleek, modern design that will complement any decor, and it is made with high-quality materials that are built to last. One of the best features of this faucet is the touch control tap flow technology. This allows you to turn the water on and off with a simple touch anywhere on the faucet body or spout. This is especially helpful when you have your hands full with dirty dishes. Here are some of the key features of the KRAUS Oletto modern single-handle touch kitchen sink faucet with pull-down sprayer. Touchless activation. Turn the faucet on and off with a simple touch, reducing the spread of germs and making it easier to use when your hands are messy. Tall, modern design. The faucet has a sleek, streamlined silhouette that complements any kitchen decor. Pull-down sprayer with dual spray modes. The sprayer provides a powerful stream for rinsing dishes and a gentle spray for filling pots and pans. Single handle control. Easily adjust the water temperature and flow with one hand. Spot-free finish. The faucet is available in a variety of finishes that resist water spots and fingerprints, making it easy to keep clean. Durable construction. The faucet is made from high-quality materials for long-lasting performance. Easy installation. The faucet comes with all the necessary hardware for a quick and easy installation. Here are some additional features that you may find helpful. The faucet has a 360-degree swivel spout for maximum reach. The faucet is lead-free and CUP certified. The faucet is backed by a limited lifetime warranty. The KRAUS Oletto modern single-handle touch kitchen sink faucet with pull-down sprayer is a stylish and functional faucet that is perfect for any kitchen. Here are some of the pros and cons of the KRAUS Oletto modern single-handle touch kitchen sink faucet with pull-down sprayer. Pros: stylish and modern design. Touch control tap flow technology. Pull-down sprayer with 2 spray modes. Easy to install. Cons: some users have reported that the touch control technology can be a bit sensitive. The faucet is a bit on the pricey side. Overall, I would highly recommend the KRAUS Oletto modern single-handle touch kitchen sink faucet with pull-down sprayer too. Anyone looking for a high-quality faucet that looks great and is easy to use, the KRAUS Oletto modern single-handle touch kitchen sink faucet with pull-down sprayer is a great choice for anyone looking for a stylish and functional faucet. It is well made, easy to use and looks great in any kitchen. If you're ready to transform your kitchen experience, check out the link in the description to get your hands on the KRAUS Oletto today. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and we'll see you in the next one. Happy cooking!